Kublaiba isin ay tupsle yanga da uman siya makhu jong me kat ba ngarang pule ya ka tien ka jong me ai bangan yo sngau ka sur jong me ka ba pasyao ha ka man siam jong nga ai nga ka jing start jing sham phang ban sung thu khu bo ba me ai nga ai ba ka tien ka jong me kan long ka jing kman ya ka do anu jong bat ka sharak ki ka jat jong ayanga kabor bantei ya ka jing yam jonga halo ka tien jong me to ai ba ki ai baro kin long hanga kat kum ka tien jong me pen kemen yanga habanga yo sngau ya ka tien jong me bat ngan ri kendong ya ka grand ko try nga shakri jong me nga snap kublai shubun jisu ya ro eme jisu naka gospel bakhuit kat kum uluka kalanong bahnyau kad khat art phu saw hadu lai phau enda kinong yalap tien uyu honest ke la lek no ujisu ulas dang ban kren shaphang uyu honest hagi pat ba ayu pia lek ban pek hurricane ja ya okha bakhanyu kal air ne ayu pia lek ya pen ya ubriu bakdup daki jani Kibriu kibariam kordor kisong sadhai haki yang sim haya thu yanga ayu pilaj banjungo ya onong ya thu lupa ho oj nga ong happy pilayo I ya u bakam krau man ya onong ya thu lupa daba uyu onis ulong uta uba kijin tho kikren hakmi une hangne onong yang lam ketien jonga ngan pha ya u haswa jong me uban pen kre ya kalenti jong me ngaya thu api uyo anes ukham kraw man ya uno ubriu ubala kha penban ubarit tam ha kahima ublei ukham kraw ban ya u habaya sngaw ya kane baro ki pat ba bat kinong lum khajna kila ya ro ya ublei namar kila sha pen baptis ha uyo anes henry ki pharisi bat ki start an kila kan taj ya ka sandur ublay na ka benta jongki ba kim tre pansha pen baptis hau
After John's messengers left, Jesus began to speak to the crowd about John. What did you go out into the wilderness to see? A reed swayed by the wind? If not, what did you go out to see? A man dressed in fine clothes? No. Those who wear expensive clothes and indulge in luxury are in palaces. But what did you go out to see? A prophet? Yes. I tell you, and more than a prophet. This is the one about whom it is written, I will send my messenger ahead of you, who will prepare your way before you. I tell you, among those born of women, there is no one greater than John. Yet the one who is least in the kingdom of God is greater than he. All the people, even the tax collectors, when they heard Jesus' words, acknowledged that God's way was right because they had been baptized by John. But the Pharisees and the experts in the law rejected God's purpose for themselves because they had not been baptized by John.